Aerobic exercise, the key to longevity and vitality. Aerobic exercise is a type of physical activity that increases your heart rate and breathing rate for an extended period of time. It is also known as cardio exercise or cardiovascular exercise because it primarily targets the cardiovascular system. The word aerobic means with oxygen, and during aerobic exercise, your body uses oxygen to produce energy. Examples of aerobic exercise include jogging, running, cycling, swimming, dancing, Zumba, aerobics classes, and brisk walking. These activities are typically performed at a moderate to high intensity for at least 20 to 30 minutes at a time. Aerobic exercise has many health benefits. 1. Improved cardiovascular health. Regular aerobic exercise can strengthen your heart and improve your circulation, reducing your risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, and stroke. 2. Increased lung capacity. Aerobic exercise can improve your lung capacity, making it easier to breathe and reducing your risk of respiratory diseases. 3. Weight management. Aerobic exercise can help you burn calories and lose weight, especially when combined with a healthy diet. 4. Reduced stress and anxiety. Aerobic exercise can help reduce stress and anxiety by releasing endorphins, the body's natural mood boosters. 5. Improved brain function. Regular aerobic exercise can improve cognitive function, memory, and focus, and reduce the risk of cognitive decline in older adults. 6. Improved sleep. Aerobic exercise can help you fall asleep faster and sleep more deeply, improving the quality of your sleep. It is recommended that adults get at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic exercise per week, spread out over at least 3 days. However, any amount of aerobic exercise is better than none, so even small amounts of activity can be beneficial.